Now for the other part of my normal everyday maintenance, just a damp rag. I'm gonna wipe most of the bike down with this damp rag, get all the dirt, normal dirt and dust from riding off of it. I do this pretty much every night. I take care of my stuff. My garage might be a mess, but I take care of my shit because I want it to last me. You know, I work hard for my money. Mommy and daddy don't buy me anything. I buy my own shit. I've created my own empire. Well, I'm on the way to creating it, I'll tell you that. Started my own business from fucking nothing. From literally nothing, I started my own business. And it's thriving. And I bust my fucking ass for my shit. So, something that really upsets me, it'll send me back behind that wall. Some of you may understand what I'm saying. Is fucking with my shit. I live and let live. I leave people alone and mind my own business these days. So if I think you're fucking with my shit or putting my shit in jeopardy, my reaction is going to be totally disproportionate to the problem, because I don't have that. Yeah, I don't have that part of my brain that I react first and then figure shit out last. So, granted, that has got me into a lot of shit in my life. It is what it is. This is how my brain is wired. But you know what? If I'm gonna throw away everything that I worked hard for because of you, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna make it count. I'll tell you that much. Probably gonna end your shit completely, and I'm gonna be locked away for the rest of my life. That's why I pretty much stay to myself, mind my own business, and enjoy my life, you know? Enjoy my shit, because there was a time when I was fucked up. I ain't have none of this shit. So, I don't think I'll ever sell this bike, but I mean, if I do, the next motherfucker that gets it, boy, he's gonna get a truly baby bike, not this, you know, most of you dirtbags that are selling stuff on Facebook Marketplace, you lied through your teeth. We could tell just by looking at the bike or listening to how it sounds. You treated it like shit. You never changed the oil. Mommy and daddy bought it from you. When you got home with it, you threw it on the ground. You know, regular fucking scumbag shit. Pretty warm out here. We'll let this dry. Spray it down with wax. We'll do an upholstery cleaning, even though it doesn't have upholstery, wheels and tires. And then we'll check the chain slack with the slacker tool. So I spray the seat down with this Armor All stuff, just to clean this seat. This seat I'm getting swapped out. I think I'm getting alligator skin. Black caiman skin on the seat. I'm gonna get it reupholstered. So the front wheel we do last, because we can't get the front wheel up off the ground, so we gotta move the bike. The rear wheel, spray it down a little bit. Let that sit. Take a damp rag. Clean this stuff off the tire. Now I'm just going to do a little wet raggage for the front tire. Forward a little bit. Put this wet rag over here in case we need it. Now, wipe this down a little bit. Get all the residual wet spots for the thing we're going to use to clean this. Then I'll come around it with the camera so you can see what it looks like before we do the treatment. All right, that chain looks good right there. See that? Let's use the light. So, usually I use this right here. Chemical Guys spray wax. This works actually pretty good. This is a two-part. You got to spray it down, rub it in, and then buff it with a clean cloth. I see a spot that's a little dull and isn't reacting to the wax. I hit it with the damp rag and then the dry rag, and it just fucking shines. Also do it to the top of the gas tank twice. Alright, wait till you see the shine this little bullshit bottle of wax puts on here. Look at that. Look at the shine on there. I mean, I got some of my own nicks and scratches from just owning the bike, but I mean, I gotta buff that area a little bit more. But I mean, look at that. So much nicer, you know, and that's just a little freaking $13 bottle of wax. Now, I am going to use the other one for the rims. I'm going to use this one.